Hey guys, welcome back to Islandgirl's Kitchen. And today we're in sunny Jamaica, where I'm on the beaches in Negril, and we're gonna have Jane, our chef, or AKA Short Boss from Fireman's Lobster. He's gonna grill a lobster for us, and he's gonna take us through the process of grilling our lobster. So guys, this is Jaheem, aka Short Boss. Get it right, Sherry. So Jaheem is gonna tell us a little bit about Fireman's Lobster Pit. He was telling me that they're number one on the beach, right? They're number one in Negril and number 10 in the world. So they have the best lobster, best grilled lobster you can find on the beaches in Negril. Best crab, best fish. Yes, they actually catch the fish and the lobster fresh and pull it out the sea when you order it, and everything is fresh from the water. Wow. What else can I tell them?
What's the signature dish? Which one is the signature dish? Lobster?
Lobster is number one.
Yeah, more known by the lobster. What's the special one? No, we don't
Simple.
Keep it simple. Fresh.
Guys, I'm gonna taste it. Yeah, it's simple. Oh, the garlic butter?
The secret sauce.
Yeah. And it's simple, not overdone. Right. So we will be tasting and we'll let you know what we think of Fireman's Lobster Pit. Jane, you don't put anything on it? No season? Okay. Wow. And how long it cook for?
15 minutes.
Alright.
You about Jamaican?
Yes, ma'am.
Think
Talk
so,
to me.
Yeah, man. So see that now. You probably could stick one stick for color greens.
Beautiful.
And love the rice and peas. Those are things that coconut natural from the coconut.
Wow.
With the sauce.
Fresh, right?
With the love of scotch bonnet, you see it's nice. That's what comes from the rice and peas. That's how it come down.
Yeah.
I like more.
What's your name?
My name is Chef Pino.
Chef
Pino.
Chef Pino. Chef Pino in the kitchen.
Yeah, man.
All right.
15 minutes later.
No, right, we're going to go. What else? Sorry, look, nice and please.
Oh wow.
Right over the pan. That's what they're for.
Oh my goodness.
Rice is sheen with oil. Now you get your color green.
What's in your oil?
Natural. Let me show you cook it. Look here. Cook it loud. Natural. This is expensive. Over 3,000 for this.
Really?
Smell that? That's
It's
natural
coconut.
cook. Okay, I'm
Yeah.
finished with you. So that is natural. So I give you a color green now. Color green come over to your pot now. That's from there. Color green. You want to get more colorful. More color green. Natural. All right. Then put on your garlic sauce now.
Right.
Come, put on the garlic sauce. When you do it, man, why do you do something?
So tell me what's in the garlic sauce.
Oh, this is natural.
So put garlic, tomato, and sweet pepper inside of this with a little bit of all-purpose.
Okay. So there's garlic, butter.
Yeah, sweet pepper, tomato,
Huh?
and a little bit of all-purpose.
Yes. All natural. If you want some side one on it, no
What's
problem.
So nice.
Okay, so
That's it?
yeah, that's
Oh, you make the tofu one?
yeah, because you want to know, so you give me the time, you know,
Yeah,
I get some
yeah,
nice with
yeah.
that. Right.
How was the lobster, sir?
I have to tell you, it's not a hype.
Number one.
The food is delicious. The lobster was made so simple, and it allows the freshness of the lobster to come through. The sweetness, you can taste the sweetness, you can taste the ocean, and the green, the color is so fresh, not overcooked. It's perfectly cooked. And the rice. The rice is amazing. You can just get the subtle scent of the coconut oil and you use to cook the rice with.
So you endorse the number one.
This place is without a doubt number one.
All right.
Fireman Lobster Pit.